How to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can withdraw money from the Phantom Wallet application. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So let's start. So in order to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet, there is no such way, but what you can do is use another app instead of this in order to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. So in order to do that, I'm just going to use the Binance application. So when you use a Binance application, you need to have your account verified. After you have a verified account, you should be able to see deposit option on your screen. So what you're going to do is simply click on deposit on your Binance application. After that, just go to deposit crypto, where you need to choose a crypto. I'm just going to choose the Ethereum as my crypto here. You may also use that one. After that, just choose your network of your Ethereum. So I'm just going to select one of the network. After that is done, so you'll be taken to the next page where you'll be able to see a deposit address. You just need to copy the address, or you may just use a QR code as well. After doing so, you just need to get back to the Phantom application and here tap on send. After tapping on send, just choose the Ethereum. After that, just copy the username that we just copied from the Binance application. After that, just tap on next and go on with the process of sending the token. After doing so, you just need to get back to your Binance application. And when you get back to your Binance application, you just need to tap on your profile at the top left. Just tap on it, and when you tap on it, you should be able to see a convert option here. Just tap on convert, and you just need to convert the received amount from Phantom application to here. You just need to copy from Ethereum to the token that you want to change it to the crypto that you want to change it to from, and under here too, you just need to convert it after that trade, and you should be able to withdraw your money from Phantom very easily. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.